In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get free shipping on Alibaba. Let's dive into the process step by step. So by the end of this video, you'll be confidently navigating through Alibaba, aiming for that sweet deal of free shipping. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to Alibaba.com. Once you've arrived at the home page, direct your attention to the product search bar, which is prominently displayed at the top. Here, you'll type in the specific product that you're interested in purchasing. Whether it's electronics, clothing, or various household items, Alibaba's vast marketplace likely has what you're looking for. After entering your desired product, hit the search button to proceed. This step will bring up a list of available items that match your search criteria. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Look for the option marked worldwide on the page. Clicking this is crucial, as it allows you to modify your results specifically to those products that cater to global shipping criteria. Upon selecting the worldwide shipping option, you'll be asked to specify your region. This step will help filter out the products available for shipping to your location. Select your region from the list, and your search results will automatically update to reflect only those products that can be shipped to you. With those filtered results, it's time to choose the product that best suits your needs. Click on the item you are interested in to view its details more closely. Here, you'll want to review everything carefully: product specifications, reviews, ratings, all that good stuff. Next, don't forget to customize the product details to your liking, such as color, size, or any other specifications that the product might offer. Once you're satisfied with your selections, adjust the quantity by clicking the plus sign to set how many units you want. Ready to place your order? Hit the Start Order button. Now, before you finalize anything, you'll be prompted to add a payment method. If you haven't already set up your payment options, click on Add a New Card. Enter your payment details diligently, ensuring that the information is accurate to avoid any issues during the transaction. After entering your card information, the last step is to confirm your order. Click the Confirm button and you're all set.